Hey, what's going on everyone, this is iReviews back with another video, and today I will show you guys 12 of the best iOS 16 shortcuts and automations that I believe iPhone users must have and use on their device. These are pretty simple to create. Of course, shortcuts is just a download and they're very useful, so you must try them on your iPhone running iOS 16. And we're starting things off with automations. Now, automations allow you to do things automatically without actually you having to do anything by yourself. And we're starting things off with focus. So you know the focus modes on iOS, you can actually trigger them automatically based on which app you're using. So let's say you have created a focus mode for gaming. All you have to do is tap on create personal automation and then just go ahead and choose app. When you go here, choose the app from the list. So you can choose maybe a game or whatever app you want. Tap on the done button and tap next. What you will have to do now is tap on add action and search for focus. So once you have done that, it will show you right here scripting. So it says set focus, and you can go ahead and choose the focus by tapping here where it says do not disturb, which will show here automatically, but you can tap there and choose whichever focus mode you want. So if I tap on gaming right here, I can tap on off and turn it on. And of course, I can go ahead and now tap next, make sure you have this disabled. So of course, it will run automatically without you having to confirm that. Tap on done, and now you're good to go. Every time you open your game, the gaming focus will be turned on automatically. Next up, we're talking about Bluetooth. So let's say you have maybe a speaker or maybe your car and you use a specific app to play music. What you want to do is have that app open automatically when you connect to that device. Simply tap the plus button, tap on create personal automation, and make sure you go ahead and find here Bluetooth and choose the device from the list. So if I choose right here the Bluetooth of my car, I can just go ahead and tap on done, tap next, and then tap on open app here, and I can choose the app that I want. In this case, I use Spotify, so I can just go ahead and choose Spotify from here, and whenever I connect my device to my car, it will open Spotify automatically. Now you can actually do even more specific things with automations, like opening a specific playlist, whether you use Spotify or maybe use Apple Music, whatever app you use. You simply go to the playlist, tap on there, and make sure you tap on share and copy the link of that playlist. Once you have done that, all you have to do is go back here, go to automations, tap the plus button, and then again you can go ahead and choose Bluetooth, choose the device here, and then tap on done and tap next, and now search for open link. So it's actually open URL, not open link. So you search for open URL, tap right there and just paste your URL right here, tap on next, and you're good to go. Anytime you connect your device to that Bluetooth, it will open that specific link, in this case the playlist that you choose. Now here's another very useful one. So for whatever app you use or maybe a game, if you want to have guided access enabled, maybe you're playing a game and you have to swipe a lot and sometimes you will just accidentally get out of the game. You don't want that to happen. Simply go to automations, tap on plus right there, and then search for app here and tap on the done button, and now go next and search for guided access. So all you have to do now is tap on start guided access and tap on next. Make sure you have this disabled as well. Tap on done and you're good to go. Anytime you open the app or the specific game, it will turn on guided access. Now, if you have an Apple Watch, automations will let you set an Apple Watch face any time of the day. So you can just choose different watch faces for different times of the day. So you tap the plus, of course, tap on create personal automation, and we can go with time of the day right here. So you can just pick the time from here, tap on next, and then search for set watch face. So here we have set watch face. You tap there and you go here and you can choose the watch face that you have on your list. Tap on next, disable this as always, and of course tap done and you're good to go. And the last one, which is actually really cool, is the ability for your iPhone to actually let you know when the battery level is at 100%. So you plug in your device to charge and you don't have to bother looking at it. You can choose any percentage you want in that case. So you tap create on personal automation right here and then go to battery level, and you can choose the percentage right here, or you can choose maybe above 50 or 60%, whatever you want. Tap on next, and then just go ahead and add an action here and search for speak text. And on the text right here, all you have to do is just type anything you want, like maybe battery full or something like that, and you're good to go. So you tap on next, disable this, and there it is. Anytime your iPhone reaches the percentage that you set, it will speak that text. Now we're moving on to shortcuts. This one right here, the first one, is really useful. You can set the audio output to any of your devices simply by running this shortcut. So just install the shortcut, tap the three dots right there, and you can tap on here where it says iPhone and choose the playback destination of your Bluetooth devices, of course. In this case, I have my Mac here, so I can choose my MacBook Pro. So anytime I want to change the audio output, I can just run this shortcut and it will actually start playing right on my Mac. Simply tap here and you're good to go. The next one is turn text into audio. Any text that you might have, maybe copy to your clipboard, or you just want to type any text you need, you simply go ahead and do that from here and just tap on done, and now it will create an audio file from that text. Of course, you can play it here, or you can tap the share button and you can save this to your files as well, or just copy it or share it anywhere you want. The next one is called Proteus, and this one is really interesting. It lets you activate different profiles, different settings profiles on your device. So if I choose the profile that I have right here, it will turn off Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and the cellular data as well. And you can see right there, it's gone. So this is really useful if you just want to quickly enable any profile with any setting that you want. Now to set these settings, what you need to do is go to settings right here, and you can add a profile. Now it will show you the name of the profile, so let's just add one here, tap on done, and then it will show you things that you can actually do. So you can choose here what you want to do. So we can pick airplane mode, dark mode, media volume, tap on done, and now it will ask us what we want to do with that stuff. So for media volume, we can set the volume at 50%. For dark mode, we can disable it, and airplane mode, enable it, and that's the profile that we have just created. Now anytime I want to activate that profile, you can see tap on there and it will just activate it. As you can see, dark mode is turned now off. The next shortcut will turn raw photos into normal iPhone photos. So let's say you take a raw picture, maybe you have just turned it on by accident and you just want to convert it into a simple photo, because of course raw photos will take a lot of space, probably 20 megabytes or more, while the normal photos probably around 1 megabyte. All you have to do is of course go to the photo on the photo library, and from here all you need to do is tap the share button and just go down here and it says raw to HEIC. You tap right there and you're good to go. You can delete or not delete the old photo, so let's just tap don't delete, and you're good to go. Now you have that converted into a normal photo that will take way less space on your device. Now we have two different shortcuts, but these are like one shortcut. So we have frameless screenshots and framed screenshots. It basically allows you to turn your screenshots into an iPhone. So you use this, it will just mock up with an iPhone, it looks way better. And this won't add an iPhone, but it will just make your screenshots look better if you just want to share them maybe on social media or anywhere else. So you tap each one of them and you load the screenshot you want to use. So once I have loaded the screenshot, I can choose here light mode or dark mode. So let's just go with dark mode, and you can see the result right there. There's the screenshot now mocked up into an iPhone frame. And of course from here I can go ahead and save this image or share it anywhere I want. The last one for the video is get media details. Now you can see the details of this picture just simply by swiping up, but you can see there are just a few details regarding this picture. What we can do is tap on the share button and just go ahead and run right here the get media details shortcut. So if we run it from here, we can see all these different information. So tap on info, you can see a lot more, and of course each of them will show you a lot more details regarding this picture. So you can see you have GPS data, you have here the other data regarding this photo, and every specific detail you need to know regarding pictures on your iPhone, you can do that with this shortcut. So that is it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and the shortcuts and automations. If you want to download any of these shortcuts, make sure to check out the description of the video. You will find all the shortcuts there. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.